Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? You're welcome once again to Jennifer Chris. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And welcome once again to my returning family. Well, so basically, this is one of my makeup videos, my makeup tutorial videos that I never posted. Yeah, so I just want you all to see and enjoy the video. Okay, I think I actually went for an event that was in 2021, sometime last year. Yeah, so I don't know why, but I never posted this video, and yeah, here it is right now, so you guys enjoy. Yeah, so you guys, I made this hair that I'm going to be wearing later in this video. I made it by myself from the scratch. Yeah, you heard me right. I made the weave on from the scratch. So if you want to know how I made this ponytail, make sure you watch the video that I'm posting. I'm going to be posting right after this video. Yes, I'm going to post that ponytail tutorial right after this video. So stay connected and stay watching. And if you have watched till this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Yeah.